So number 12 is asking us for the sum of this. And what this means is, like the very first term would be, 17 times 1 and then minus 25, whatever that happens to be. And we want to add that to the next term, which would be, 17 times 2 minus 25, whatever that happens to be. And then add this to the third term, 17 times 3, minus 25, whatever that happens to be. This would be a sub 1. A sub 2, and then a sub 3. So this is what it means when it says, it's going from 1 to 3. That's what those numbers mean, 1 to 3. And then this is how we're doing it. So, this is what this thing actually means. So I'm noticing a few things. I noticed it right away, a sub 1 in this case happens to be negative 8 when you plug this in, 17 minus 25. So this is worth negative 8 right here. And then the last term, a sub 3, happens to be when I plug this in, 17 times 3 minus 25 gives me 26. So that's 26, and then I have 3 terms total. Okay, I can use the formula. The sum of the first 3 has to be 3 halves times the first term, which is negative 8, plus the last term, which is 26. Anyways, you get a grand total of 27 when you run that through the formula, and that's how you do that problem.